All right, question number 6 says the radius of each circle in the rectangle WXYZ shown below is 7 centimeters. All right, so each of the radius is 7 centimeters. All right, notice that the circles are touching and that they go from one end of the rectangle to the next end. All right, the circles fit exactly into the rectangle. So that is what I was saying. They fit exactly into the rectangle. We're to show that the area of the rectangle is 2,352 centimeters squared. That's not so difficult. So to get area of a rectangle, I need the length. Now, the length of the rectangle here is, there are 4 circles, and the diameter, the length of the 4 diameters together is equal to the length of the rectangle. So this is 4 times 14. The radius is 7. The diameter is 14. Now 4 times 14 is 56. So the length is 56 centimeters. Now the width of the rectangle is equal to 3 diameters. So this is 3 times 14. The width is 42 centimeters. So the area of the rectangle is equal to length times width is equal to 56 times 42, and this is equal to 2,352 centimeters square. All right. Next, we're asked to calculate the area of the shaded region. All right, so the shaded region is the area of the rectangle minus the area of the 12 circles. So if you take the 12 circles out of the rectangle, what will be left is the shaded region. All right. So looking at the diagram, the diagram look as if you started out with a let us say the diagram is like a cartridge paper, and out of this cartridge paper you cut out 12 circles. So what is left is after you cut out the 12 circles. So the area of the shaded region is the area of the rectangle minus the area of the 12 circles. They didn't give us a value for pi, so we'll use our own value for pi. Yes, they did. They gave us a value for pi. So area of shaded is equal to the area of the rectangle minus the area of 12 circles. This we already know, 2,352 minus 12 times pi r squared. The radius is 7 times 7. So this is 2,352 minus 12 times 22 times 7. This is 1848. The final answer is 504 centimeters square. All right, B part of the question. The question says the diagram below not drawn to scale, shows triangle MNP, in which the angle MPN is equal to the angle PMN, and they're both equal to 52 degrees. We're told that the side MN is 12.5 centimeters. All right, so somebody's was pointing it out that this must be an isosceles triangle. So whenever you have a triangle and two of the angles are equal like that, it's an isosceles triangle. Now, if all three angles, if two of the angles were 60, then it would have been an equilateral triangle. But as it stands now, this is an isosceles triangle, and N is the apex. And this side is also 12.5 centimeters. We're to state the type of triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. And we're to say the value of angle PNM. So angle PNM would be equal to 180 minus 52 plus 52. So it's 180 minus 104. So this is 76 degrees. All right, next we're asked to calculate the area of the triangle. Now guys, if you have the length of two sides of a non-right angle triangle and the size of the angle between them, the area of the triangle would be equal to a half AB sine C, where A and B are the lengths of the two sides and C is the angle between them. So in our case, this is 12 a half, which is 0.5 times 12.5 times 12.5 times the sine of the angle between these two sides, which is 76 degrees. So it's 0.5 times 12.5 times 12.5 sine of the angle between them, which is 76 degrees. The final answer here is 75.8. This is 75.8, and this is centimeters square. 75.8 centimeters square.